Hello everyone! Have you added a new HDD or SSD to your Windows 11 PC, but the new drive is not showing in File Explorer? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to initialize the new drive, create a partition, assign a drive letter, and format it so you can start using it. First, right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Here you can see all the storage drives connected to your computer. Your new HDD or SSD may appear as unallocated or may have a small red mark, indicating that it has not been initialized yet. If the Initialize disk pop-up does not appear automatically, right-click the new disk in Disk Management and select Initialize Disk. You may see two options, MBR and GPT. For modern Windows 11 systems, GPT is the recommended choice, so select GPT and click OK. Now, right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next. Here, enter the amount of space you want to use for this partition. If you want to use the entire drive as one partition, simply leave the default maximum size and click Next. Now select a drive letter, such as D, E, or F, and click Next. On the Format partition screen, select NTFS and keep Perform a quick format enabled. Click Next, review the settings, and click Finish. Windows will now create and format the partition. Once the process is complete, open File Explorer again. You should now see your new drive with the drive letter you selected. And if your new HDD or SSD has more unallocated space left, you can simply right-click that blank space, choose New Simple Volume, and repeat the same process to create another partition. So that's how you can add and set up a new HDD or SSD in Windows 11 when it doesn't appear in File Explorer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.